with the movement of the Supreme Court to Accra. It was in Caicos that the early foundations of modern legal systems in colonial British West Africa were established. Even before the establishment of the Supreme Court, the first High Court in the entirety of the West Africa was established in Caicos in 1825. It held its sittings in the Caicos Castle. Much later, the Supreme Court Ordinance of 1876 established the Supreme Court of the Gold Coast to apply English common law in local communities. We are told it first started in a wooden court house. The establishment of the court marked the foundation of new legal architecture comprising a fusion of already existing indigenous political and judicial system and British common law and its associated rules and procedures. Of course, what was to work as fusion of systems later turned into a superimposition of the new on the old, a phenomenon that has survived till modern day. In the trail of this, however, was to emerge legal practice championed by local brains. The list may be tall, but the follow such names as John Mensah Saba, Kofi Asam, Charles James Bannerman, Thomas Hudson Mills, and J.E. Chrisley Hayford, to mention a few. And the chosen theme for this lecture, Caicos in the Making of Ghana's Legal Architecture, is a reflection of the unique place Caicos occupies in the embarkation of an enduring journey of establishing a viable legal system spanning a century and a half.
Professor Ebo Bonze Simpson, Virginia Simply Chile, same day, you can bring him so ya. At Timothy Abrono, China, wire commercial courts, the offer to Beredo, Nazama Wutumbo, bring him for Wutumas Wutumud, something there, Abrabra to Macroim, Abefu, in Filiapo, Abua, Ma Yaku name, each day in some number of one, although if you go to Britain, or Mazin if you put away an attempt, if you can, Yaku name.
And for a judiciary 150 years old, not to currently have the facility for all of its courts at all of its levels. And when the automation of high courts was taking place, there was pride in describing some of them as automated high courts as opposed to others that were not automated. And for that process to effectively take place also in the commercial courts and others. I'm looking at it from the bottom to the top. It is a plea and a prayer that it does not take much, it does not cost much, the technology is currently available, and every court should have the facility for simultaneous transcription. Second, causes and cases should be scheduled. You know when you are going to court, you know what time your court is going to be called, we know what time has been allocated to you, and you go and you do your business and you leave. Justice is delayed unduly. I've reached a certain level of seniority, it doesn't affect me adversely. It doesn't. I've been out of the law school this year will be 14 years. So it does not affect me adversely. But it will affect the younger ones. You come to court, you are sent by your senior, then the seniors also come before, and then they get their cases called. But the interest of justice is not dependent on the seniority of counsel. The interest of justice is served when anyone who has their day in court is heard at the appointed day and time. And it is no disrespect to seniority if we can consider this. The third recommendation is to pray that reasons always accompany judgment. You thought about something. You considered the evidence. You considered the law. You had a certain basis to make the decree or order you made. State it. If not, it creates the opportunity of post facto rationalization. If there is a reason why it cannot be given, it is better that at the close of argument, a date is set for judgment to be delivered. You go and consider and come and deliver. Or you are not ready, you have a nice way of apologizing or explaining, and you set a new date. But at the time judgment is given, it beats me to think that it was given without a thoughtful reasons. And if it were given with thoughtful reasons, then you should spare the time to give the reasons. I've been a law teacher for a while. A typical law question can be a proposition will be put forth and then they will ask you, do you agree? Do you agree does not mean you say, yes, I agree, or no, you don't agree. You don't agree. Or you write, yes, I agree. And then next semester, I'll give you the reasons why I stated why I agree. So, it's not too difficult to do. It best serves the convenience of justice. And my final recommendation, based upon observations that have taken place, is that the Judicial Council should be transitioning to a Judicial Commission. It's an experience with other jurisdictions. It's an experience which has served them well. It is an experience where that transition takes place. Everything about the bench, from its recruitment, through progression, promotion, through discipline, and the like, will be handled by an independent commission. Kenya has done it, for example. We can look at it and tweak it. Canada has done it, for example. We can look at it and tweak it. But we should get to the stage where even the concern that people may have as to what to do to be appointed or to be promoted, whether there is a rational, objective basis for it. Is it that you are not in the favor of His Excellency the President, or you are not in the favor of His Lordship the Chief Justice? So whether your name will even be put for consideration tends to be a matter that is problematic. And a system that encourages people to remain, but to be bitter, is more dangerous than a system that urges them. I'm not recommending a page, but if you have peeved, unhappy magistrates and circuit court judges and high court judges and court of appeal judges who think they should have been promoted and don't know why they have not been promoted, and know that others have been promoted and don't know why they have not been promoted, they will be there.
Supreme Court at 150. Yeah, when name is CNC with partnership with Department of Theatre and Film Studies. The medicinal amphibia basin the medicinal way. There was one doing too many fee the medicinal on Wuda and see our professor our the medicinal bomb was in the feature same or ye fata da or bomb was in the what was the medicinal what professor I prof Yanka Chirazi were the School of Department of Theatre Honor Autumn North Bureau Autumn Ozili Juma Prof Jena Simpino Chen Semde the Majumeti up there Uba Bashas working Fremantum the Oya CNC into Prof Jena 9BM there School who do of Fremantum no to Safra one now I want to meet Oya Winimizi or Oya Kwana Oba Fada wodze hone yansan edwudwumezi bi a aboboa magana oya hin kebim kebi etumetu mpo na akwanyem no ntere school temi na bia ba kyerɛ kono abafro wotu wa ye ne frɛ kono abafro wotu wa kasa a kyerɛ nazem mama sabi dwumezi etumi reason ehunu de arekasa aleya from ana dwumezi bi na mfoso etuma aba ho prof yanka de mesem tiodo abira onye doma obi hyem osi twetwenkomo.
That was initiated several years ago, I remember, and they used to hold it here in Central Region. It is a Central Region initiative, but I'm just excited that it is being brought back now. They are reviving it, and because the reason being that, seriously, dramatic writing in this country is bad. People don't write plays. Elsewhere, drama is very vibrant, but here, no. So once they're bringing it back, I am very excited about it. One of the initiators of this Tudra Fest was a lecturer in our department. He was our very first formally appointed lecturer to teach Mr. John Elulo Garbin of late blessed memory. May his soul rest in peace. So he was the one who initiated it when he was here, working here at the Center for National Culture. I think he was a deputy director or something like that. So the department has always been involved right from the onset of the program, the whole festival. And I used to come here, I used to be a judge. And then just like today, they used to draw lecturers from our department to come and give workshops and then help the students in the writing, the acting, and everything. So the department has been involved right from the word go. You know, the film space is problematic in this country, but it all can all start with the drama, because acting, script writing, and all of those things. If our students get into that, that will help them, of course, move into the film genre. In my department, I teach script writing, playwriting generally, and I teach basics of writing, and then the second year I move into screenwriting as well, and then screen and then radio for them to know what happens in those other genres. And then in the third year I move into writing series and so on. So this is the basis. That's why the department is producing these students. But if we have festivals like this for them to showcase what they have, of course that would also advance their career, to help them also and it will help the film industry in general, because we are writing scripts. For instance, as I stand here, I have a script, a very nice script that people have seen and say, oh, it's very nice, can you put it on? I said, fine, but production becomes another problem. We can write a very nice script, we can write a beautiful script, they're very exciting scripts, but if the country doesn't put in, or the filmmakers out there don't source for funding to do them, they remain on the shelves. Okay, because in other jurisdictions, for instance in Nigeria, industry helps with the arts. A lot of filmmaking is being sponsored by industry, and they don't lose, and that is helping rake in a lot of foreign exchange for their country. What are we doing? We're not helping the film industry. If they would come in, we now have oil in Ghana. Oil, just as I said during the my workshop session, there is somebody won a playwriting contest in Nigeria, and he got $100,000. He could make a film out of it. Well, in our standards, yes, he can. By our standards, he can make it. He can do whatever he wants to. So if the industry were, and it was sponsored by an oil company, so why can't we do something like that here? And government create the enabling environment for industry to assist in filmmaking, in promotion of drama, and everything. No, it's not the case. We are thinking more about, let's think about how to do this, how to do that, music and all those things, dance, and then this other one, Ghana's most beautiful, those things. They are the only ones that we have. But this is where it all starts. Take the arts seriously. Invest in the arts. invest in our youth who are coming up and who are interested in pursuing the arts, and the country will benefit from it.
Sami Pinyano Okrodo or Student Drama Festival. Sisa wasen enyan ma otumno waba. Opayina oye acting regional director of the CNC children same day. Newaje da sisa pempeso ebuduri ofibere to be nzama sabi etumna wada neja inda wasa ne chiri tumri yinya etumba. The sexira sisara oye CNC ofibere to be mezu pinya otumo okwado neti. Nare chechirem chira oye nazama.
Center for National Culture. The Jumadi say the arts, the visual and performing arts. Yebeboa ama the promote and culture. Inti Jumadi put a pan say you promote your culture through the arts. Now art because of performing art, drumming, music, and then performing art. It is a student drama festival. A school for our moye or yetre, and answer or yetre a fashion and a ye. The TN say, yenam drama so an hour yetre so, edisiani amabibri. And ye obiana, obitimacas or ye science. Obi wants an energy or creativity beer or walk kasa. Ahoɔden a obetumi ayɛ ɔyɛkyerɛ obenya that creative mind no wɔ nim sɛ metumi de saa talent wei yɛ adwuma de educate nkurɔfoɔ nti ɛno no na Center for National Culture de dwuma de esi hɔ for second cycle schools a ɛyɛ secondary schools no ɔmo since ɔmo no nso ankasa no ɔmo wɔ drama clubs ɛwɔ ɔmo yi a ɛbrɛ ne bra no ɔmo yɛ drama na ɔmo yɛ play na ɔmo de yɛ yɛkyerɛ yɛ education ne ade ti ɛno na Center for National Culture under the auspices of National Commission on Culture the DSC was said saa bere die ebere bi ne yɛ ne gya to hɔ kakra ya maso nti secondary schools no yɛ bɛyɛ competition amongst them na said the ɔyɛkyerɛ honhom the spirit and the creativity in them ɛwɔ ɔyɛkyerɛ mu no yɛ bɛboa ama na dɛɛde said the ɛbɛyɛ a yɛkɔ yɛ nim no yɛbɛnya anuanom a ɔmotumi yɛ ɔyɛkyerɛ abɛgye din na nam so ama de ɔmo ɛwɔ wɔ mu no ɔmbɛda na di ama yɛde asua adeɛ ama yɛde akyerɛ adeɛ saa nso na ebitumi de anam so atu nkurɔfoɔ fo ɛno nti ɛyɛ drama ɛna yɛbɛyɛ na yɛ competition sɛdeɛ da biara yɛyɛ no nti yoka student there ɛyɛ student drama festival a ɛyɛ a school for ɛyɛkyerɛ afahyɛ a yɛdi anaasɛ yɛbɛyɛ ɛno ne student fest 10 schools from the central region ɛna yɛde ɔmo hyɛ aseɛ na yɛwie a yɛwie competition a de obɛdi first no anaa de obɛdi kan no yɛde ne bɛkɔ national level because yɛyɛ wɔ all the regions ne nyinaa no bantam nyinaa obiara yɛ ne deɛ Greater Accra de menim so ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo deɛ wie nya ɔwe na dada ɔmo twɛn the champion from all the other regions ne yɛhyia ɛyɛ October ɛhɔ ne ɛbɛyɛ biribiara na yɛahwɛ deɛ ɛba school for ɛyɛ ɔyɛkyerɛ ɛde asua adeɛ ɛde ayɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ a hwan ɛna ɛyɛ adeɛ paa ɛhɔ ne ɛbɛyi the national winner for student a ɔmo yɛ drama na ɔmo de yɛ entertainment ɛne ti ɛnyɛ drama no ankasa nyɛ entertainment nko a dodoɔ no anim sɛ ɛka sɛ drama yɛ entertainment nko a drama no ɛyɛ ɔyɛkyerɛ no nso yɛde sua adeɛ yɛde fa adwen ɛna yɛde entertain ɛno nti apart from that nso ɛtumi mpoa ma obi nipa nya confident because sɛ wobɛba stage na wabɛkasa na wabɛyɛ yɛkyerɛ wadaadaa wo ho na wayɛ saa de ama yɛni agye na yɛsan educate yɛn ho no it takes people with that creative spirit nti woyɛ creative at saa platform no boa wo ma wonya the confidence to exhibit your creativity ɛno nti student drama festival deɛ school for no gye tom ɛna Ghana nyinaa nso gye tom ɛsiane sɛ drama is part of our cultural settings. If I say a domo free that level to more common university level no sooner now major in various aspects of drama, theater and stuff. The confidence in them, the ahoɔden hockey can a woman no opportunity as our children. A bit in yen na boa and as a platform where they see ho na boa na sa talent no woman and into a yakonya and my union kuma or more secondary school to aso school mu a bia no almost what that passion to act no we akwanya ema omo e dey bo almost di kan say oh say dodo na primary level there na bebre na no omo nhyɛ da as e control mo nima bia omo be school no be ye doctor be ye nti ho no as the control but ufri SS ho na academical SS level no ho na ufri ho be ko university a adwene mo be bia mo aba ho abaye adwuma ana ko wiase de bibia nti ho no na esese ye boa ema de wo mo no de ya busu o maami ana papa na busuafo pese wo ye na emom de wo mo yakopon de adua wo eye saa oye kire honhom na ewu saa bre no na esese pii isan se ufiri ho pe o ko university nso no ho na wo ko nto aso school ana se suapon mu a ho no de wakoma ewu mu no na esese wo ko suanye de ye force wo se kwaye nti yensu nim se Ghana no ana se wiase yakopon bo bia no mo bia che de of which that acting character no ana se suban na ewe mu etimi de acting no nim se that time no emitimi pii nti even though ye etimi your programs are the boa ema more form the say basic to GSS no almost your cultural festival ye more ye acting in there but we specifically media in say movie school and more contour aso na sento aso e wo ho de a na ni esese nipa no ho de me contour aso school ami kosua na aboa me ade makoma wo de mema ho de wo ma de kopon de adua nti na ye de saa tumedi na wo secondary school level said they be when you need universities in the almost be the opportunities that is there for them university level nti sa nti na this tumedi si ho ama that level of students ya me ya do mo September ye bosume enkono ni mu so last week or second week in date in beba but September bosume enkono ni mu and I did jumedi in BCO competition in a school for in a competition. Do be the first no, it didn't be and I say October mono, the beko and kind national level so you competition. You would say they produce the quality and the creative, actors are a don't at the national level, so about the central region. And for National Commission on Culture. A binary what they say or the project was the Black Star experience as a Chinese say young as of mine young culture and I say a member any near my diet son and no and it's say your bohu de will share if you are seeing and young quite to me Tina de Biano near Tons Afra Moisan say young botai and I say Juma dear share and son ya share say any nkwan edi san say I say nkwan ye dia na say aso kane ane dia hye epon ase no media no crofo be all level of people nkwada hwe mpenfo ne adwuna enti ya the botai ne say ebekọ na crofo so ho dwuma yi di no mo so do mo ho ahyem na bi eso mo do mo hye so mo do mo hyem na ni nyina mu ne say oman a on fa anase o man ni so ade hunu no enko amamre ni amani saa o man no be develop ya kuduru ba bi nso duru ba ya bepem enu nti saa dwumadi nyina bosumi bia ya odwuma ayiti bosumi bia mu odwuma ayiti as part of the Black Star experience yen portion the National Commission on Culture ye RCNCs no na implementing agency ye no bosumi bia ya odwuma ayiti enu nti na ahwe mre kakra yi mu ya niam bebre also your tones are from say you are a key partner when it comes to informing our people about our culture. And until the entire anymore the BI no more called Nakran said if I say I'm saying who the Center for National Culture, National Commission on Culture.
The men semi in a pin, you know, home awkward or CNC about student drama festival Studio Fest Autumn Open David Chapman question Genesis Picture say me them if show Ghana theater and the films which we Orokwadazi Gumui and then Francis Orokwadazi Orokofum is going down into who said the proper what name what de sisia wotum no abempempese wotum amado oboboa ma sisia oye hinu dwumeza yitum yidi woya from hu etum na akosoro ama ebodi no so etum na amado za odo so odan de sikasam so etum ayetena mon papa nta ma wo komba obona kone biara do no bobo modern efotum akone wo de medwumedi.
Even Chapman Quaison. I'm the acting head of Performing and Literary Arts or CNC Cape Coast. So we stood office, Chakaka, but the executive director of Accra, the vision is that we will revive it again because CCM theatre in Ghana has gone down a bit. So this is our chance to revive it by using the second cycle schools to, revive it. And CCM, funding was a problem, but we've devised certain strategies that we try to reach other big men in the society for them to also come on board and help us. And I believe, the Martina student affairs will go a long way.
Damin sami ne pinyoka ka ho na okrodo wo CNC Abra Student Drama Festival to Mokrodo. Imama mpemfo ayoko papa do otumu akone. Ye kwekigina oya Ghana Police Service. IGP no dom masaza krata abapan akesem de. Ebraba oya memi kwaide akakena report. Oya police mesia. Na ekwana ofoda otumu receive report ai no ozennen otumu do boy abenten. No chem de ne sam no to kan nyaza auto di to no do bo yin do police station ba ya hwe na bench so de mara baba kama asem te ma asem na oya police mesie nennan no to odi a abenche na iyama oya police bambuku openi no odan no osi su na beni kwesi boyesi misconduct wo fa ya police juma nto aba mazen wugura we hwem na wa am wo to mo di nche yenkohwe oya dem sizaki kinchokoro no wo mo sizaki oya police mesia enya yempo chebe ni butuma ya damazi aba kuma no zuko oya police ni yenkohwe nnuane be oyensam chofo da mensami abra abenter urban na so de na camera ndam yenkohwe za wotum wosi
yo me ba wo some case no here you are recording me to me I have the right to blow me ba be case obi ni sika seasons awo me no ka che me say me case ni hu here obo ni bo bichirim kume me ba be case Madam, good afternoon once again. Also, I'm about report the case. And about what's the case in the morning? You are recording me. To me. I have the right to blow. Maybe about a case of the sick seasons. Our woman, look at him and say, you case in the morning. Oh, my God. Have I right? Oh, can you send me case in the morning? I'll have a boot to me. Minimum, how about the chicken? Come, and about what's the case in the morning? You are recording me. To me. I have the right to blow. Maybe about a case of the sick seasons. Our woman, look at him and say, you case in the morning. How about the chicken? Come, about a case. Madam, good afternoon once again. Also, I'm about report the case. And about what's the case in the morning? You are recording me. To me. I have the right to blow. Maybe about a case of the sick seasons. Our woman, look at him and say, you case in the morning. Oh, my God. Have I right? Oh, can you send me case in the morning? I'll have a boot to me. Minimum, how about the chicken? Come.
Woye kesebwa ne pe kijina wo MPP amayoku oya osun kokrokro nu ahona ekwe kijina oya Richard Ahagba oya communication director of the krata ababon no akire nsem de sesa wotumu kase honorable ohin akroproko e Japan ne kese firi biara awo amane Ghana mu no yida ayo communicate biara bomaze no otu ne so 1 Oman FM 2 Ash FM 3 Netu TV na oya Ken Media oya station biara yida oya MPP biara obomaze oya communicator akatena ho otomo kasa mprefu cheba zo otomo akwado no opere obomaze na fi committee bomaze ye hwehwem tum fa ensa akura na ebie no ho nti mprempre oya kasama fa oda oya MPP amayekwa no adabotugwa de nya communicate biara nko oya dam oya Ken Media ana Kennedy akomprekwa Japan ni radio station no ni TV station no cancel no off sen onchere biara nsemotum akwado nazema wo ye oya ayechre de honorable Kennedy suna ban a otumo denezin ahobehye nsemorokeka amboa part ne kanko ndi say say azoguda wotum ye hwem afede mensami hu na ebom Ken oya ni TV station no ni radio station no ana mde to wem nti ye MPP wo chensem da oya kasamafo sa no phone do TV do radio ho minswo oya Oman FM Ash FM na 2 TV dam kasafiri ahoro biara mentu ne nsuo iye kokobo a kasama fa azima oye MPP amayeko no ada babotugwa jo ha ezinunsan kasebo Kosa TV and the page BBC na mom endase ncha oye dancha wore chenje tumu banemom ayo hoka kre na otum na aba na so sahi oye efie nura Kosa TV Godfrey by open yomi fitabra akodomo wa akwaremba no efie bien na yutumi womi inda ya 6th July eje yomi so wa ha ncha na peti bobo so wa ha ncha na pe ranchi kasa wa kasa eje yomi abeye bio eje yomi wa abeye bi ankasa so na anti na pe yeze oye ye kese boni na abeye yomi ni chan ti openi yomi de ta oya atasi sesa nje kene bodros na fipi nyiri nwa ananda onketi pi no hwa wada na ejeche eja ofibre tobere no so obeya na machi kisa for some morning devotion obakode bobompa ama abusia bobompa ama oya domo hu jijuma wa bompa am gwa wa bompa am oya Ghana osena no so wa Ghana ha na say me on Carter's food injedo ya obokare no man baby to be partners no so him so no fa otu wa friend asomdwem enti gina oya owura yer Mrs Gifty the entire family no Kosa TV na oh ejapa za chane babu ejapa se o hancha ne pe na no ye bebi se papa na ebi za abedi ejapa e o hancha suru ya de bi otomo wanu na chenzema pinye na otomo rekodo na so e be ne yankopon ne hihia so sini mpa de se bia aniti na ne pe ya abo anu na ebo wabom za yitumi ye kan de eje yankopon na kasi amma mazomo asumje amma aya infosa azema nazema empim na numbure waya Ghana wo ade fa na hina o se na eje amitasi otu kono kwa amman foforo na okaya adoye na oba Ghana ha waye bi oba finfirima ntomo waye bi oba gwa tum waye bi oba Kosa TV a eje yami oba mati mo abrodo ntama nazema pi eka yomia Mr. Yomia obibia eje jake select yomi papa awoze akudun na kasa na afuta azema woma azema woye ebusia eje Kosa TV edwumafo ara debi asema asema mawan sabi ora humpa ima ana eje select je fere ma kwenje do waye mfie bie na etumi ezi asomba afibre tobere no etumi na eka ason no wonyina yibo ma kede bia yakopona ajo biara o ma so dwentumi mbra ma wo dua ba so me dua etumi dua etumi da ne dan no on fifiri na mpimpim na sema wo hene yi moto wo je pade etumi aye osana ahyenso edija nya ahyenso oya chalky minsu kan oboko nya ahyenso a krata minsu kan sabe obese ne ahyenso tipi os ebo ayabeba ninsu dan adunsu guhu beba hu dana obokoko isara ayede eje obokasa beba kasa sabe insu de biara ada the partner otumodeba and ko sati be fi hina yema hu de eja adam christian kan se je ba ntun nukukum na omayi je so onto amra ti nda na pe ya yitu ahokeka for one murutu ni hina abomate na fi etum na aboa na fi etum na akwayim nti ko sati be me afode yesi hen waji Sunday edua yenu we fifiri aba o Sunday edua no wa ma homuka abam o Sunday wa bobo kese se bia atwa na kwa mu be fia no otuma age na bia oya na marokwan na kraba na etumi no atum kakraba no iboya na che wani mesew na otuma zerba wo hihye bia la etumi ye na ofia no oya sere odwuma wodi bia la etumi ye na ofia no ama homuka nti na nazema pi utukon bo akwando de Kosa TV mereba abohwe mereba ejoyami ho abanda de meti ya chensam ya ede bode aninti na nda ne pei iketi ya tas o se temi biara tas no na won waje de sabi ede hina sabi ede hinsa sabi ede akomapa ba ye dwumeti bia abotum no waboa nazema wo ya adusuafa a kira honaze temi bia obakaw o sende amad pa etum akohunu tirim nazema no ye dwuma wo CNC kwabuayi madwumedi etum wi apeye eje yomi amahonyu etum age na emu se wo ha nte dore chie nte adwadwen pabutum abakan na atena no mu ayeyi jesoronko anti mese enda hewura ahosusampara na emmom nkwanhye sema afebreto beren azema oye busua azema ye azema mba nti ndazi ibosomu ne ya ka kire yankopon ne omomoze no oyontu bebi ade biara yiboso da ye hu de aresro yiboso da ye hu de ama wusia no so etum ne eje woye ebusia no do eti ndazi da mekai no ha na ize anapanu nson kasebo a ye turi hia ize ama papa yombe edebisi ye ba ka ba ben krate nim na ya akira ba efiba esia nkomo ho so ayetum na ya agbo aha na idumezi.
I guess I've always known that God is love, and I've been told that He loves me, but I never knew how true it was till God gave me you. God gave me you. God gave me you to show His love for me. God gave me you. He could have given me a star above, or the sun, or the moon, but instead He chose to show His love when He gave me you. God gave me you. God gave me you to show His love for me. God gave me you. God gave me you. God gave me you to I guess I've always known that God is love, and I've been told that He loves me, but I never knew how true it was till God gave me you. God gave me you. God gave me you to show His love for me. God gave me you. He could have given me a star above, or the sun, or the moon, but instead He chose to show His love when He gave me you. God gave me you. God gave me you to show His love for me. God gave me you. God gave me you. God gave me you to show His love for me. God gave me you to show His love for me. God gave me
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no e na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone e wo apomoden sem so fango so e ho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na adane amafangu no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro. National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuo tanka enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana afango no ena afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuo tanka enya akwanhia ne ho agwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana afango wo hwenso uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo apomeden semso fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Yaba. If ya be budun think I tell them person na etu meze bra. Zenu bi mo ma bi na Abdullah na ma be achiraba ahofia black and white. Ahofia red and black. And South Africa. Waba. Mo acho di mahino.
Yeah, you know.
Apome.
Yami adom ne humo bro. Ene takashi abayisem kakra kan.
Abayi mo man ebo. Abayi bada ebo. Anu jare mbwa. Hey. Embo. Aje be ebu ho. Atware otumi gine nsu otumi gine agba no. Na kete wo de.
No so de den.
Mese de.
No so de.
Rock. Owo nsu ma butumu wa ho. Aba build so butumu wa.
Survive.
But kete.
What does it mean?
Azi.
Ebena ubu sisi anachese.
Asa be some kakra ho. Nta wo yim de ebeyi.
I mean, area se de obia ne de we osi ne de.
Nto de we abi na ekwa.
Wo be yeda.
Azi.
Wo be yeda.
Ma ati da wa fi banana.
Good. Wo be da, but every day bia ya kase.
Adara o kara maybe pebi.
We oye be for.
Maybe a pebi o piedu wala. Mpokono no mfo so ahma pan.
En se. And such
I just say obey ye kaka no mesi de ibi nem from ahma pan. Elejijo da ma chire me na abi akwan yan ni mi no da ma chire ne no
I no no kwa na betimi a chire mu. But person men sure say we asi wo abeka say wonye beye na oboa. Everybody is beye.
Nti beye na always ni say that's why.
Nti obi ane ne de. Oh e bo ha, de we see ye ne mo say kwa de bi hye ne ase. Enye say bi hye na ne ase in the bad way, but bibi aye impossible bi a wo say we de aye den so betimi aye, but obeye.
That's why I give you this money assignment for you to do. If you do that,
that ain't gonna happen.
Ebeye. Me say obeye go tell the betimi aye. But we are saying now.
Me say adom ne humo takashi ne be isem kaka. If you want take takashi no want adom ne humo, I didn't na be ye no kwa na wo.
Check dem you ma na pe na eso.
Yan to aso.
Yo, achiraba efibesian no happen. Ye contract no person no do na ya kasha si wo ye de biara kata daily graphic. Ana ye kwa kasha si wo ho. Aban sisiara oguda orientutu emetuma bon subran na otum na oto ano nazama wo otum na wase hoje pede pi otum ye honejuma government settled $700 million euro bond kawaga na etumezi finance minister wo chensema wa akoboa mesikan etum na akọ bia otum okwai nti Ghana yandi ko wie ma na da bi so opi no ho na so wo chense ma za wotum no work aka settle yin 42nd National Farmers Day lunch we start Farmers Day first Farmers Day second da ma bisibiri ekwafo de bia wa ha bia mo don no abasesa no wotum aba de bia no ami ada aye ma titi no obobi na ba da azam muhunde impano gba no fini lankwese mu wesen Nara as owner na or I have no londo on town no. But bia wa fa no pa bosum so tumo tranika won. Nta na azan bi se bia I mean me o ka Farmers Day ya award main one ju.
Oh but Omar sanete we dwuma bia mu. Edwuma bia ye wo CEO, ye wo managers, e bia na directors ka ho, ye wo staff, staff no so is in ranks. Your HR, your deben secretary, you know, to the downest part. Into no CEO, no, say, Coastal TV, see a award, says CEO office. But some of them, you see any money show. You call grounds, you call Nina, your workers in the best. And say, baby, everywhere. Sanity, that's the hierarchy. So now, even the presidency in Bono, your president, Nankasa, MPs, and ministers. Assembly members ne units wa woni mu rank no nti adwuma no assembly members ne units committee ne ade no omoye na ekoyi a at the end of the day beka say mahama aban yen ka say assembly member aban.
But all the same still now I'm not convinced about the explanation and just since ni na no I mean mohunda we supposed to that kwafuna house nche say impano wa agene ka wa agene bibia you supposed to do much but aboko ono kwentam no na chere nzama ne de yafiba
Enche me ankasa me nya me farm yi. Me hwe me nsem metimi ado.
Awe bro le butumacho.
Den you obi bedo.
Butumacho acho ebro.
Me nkasa.
Ebro first school na wuchu ebro na wo wi wodeda. Ebro nchiri. Ebro wa acho bi wi abeda ba wa acho ne bi aka so ne ze. Ama mpefo la wi a otumo oblige wo mouth no otu. Answer that.
Boy.
Oh.
I don't know we say we baby ni dodo na.
We go si siara na bi so nkonko ya ataji. Hwan na obi din kan wa atane din nka.
So ma we dey so.
Ko yim na ka ta na say ka na ko blasta.
Sports so emphasis so na say no dey. On say na masha red. Ye we yim red ne black. And then we we yim. Areko sem bia oyi ne kese bia to man we. Oh.
Ye ne be. Ye ne be. Me ka ba. Everything.
Silaka. You can share go back for say you should go back. Yes, what can you say you should go back? When they say you back. You back to our country near there. Players no be akodi na yeye ni mama no meduane. Na yen so aye supporters you have broken heart na ade ache. Enya sam kitwa o. It say one won share that need sport, won fa wakoma ndi ache na say won fa wani ndi ache no. Let's say Ghana Black Stars World Cup no more born almost see betting if you ya betting if you film I don't know na enim ha no players nibi enfo nyingu ha say now say we made Ghana believe again Opoku finds hope amid World Cup heartbreak even though World Cup no ye film there na emom no ye player friend say Opoku mu say Yama omama Ghana for sense when yedidie biem or Black Stars because first no Black Stars qualifying kekempo etimi be fie ya be disqualify etimi be fie e be ho groupings na ye film but say at least yakoyenim ya qualify ya koyenim to the round of 32 or then and e ho no me ye film so at least they say no there is a little hope for Ghana Black Stars nti no ne asame wa say why change winning goalkeeper Clotte fumes over Asari submission in Ghana's defeat. Into no, my last match no man should be Minister Akumano. Name no, and one more share the chair say, Yankasa favorite, say no, Ghana for a man na crash. Benjamin Asari goalkeeper, and I say, Utimich ball at the goal, money, say. Onya, wow, the bono, Eddie or Betchen. But last game, ye free me, and much I say, Oman Fanam to. So unquestionable. Nins na kugipa obon humodin say ubeka se on tina nchen. Eno na sama clothing or say on yes bibisa it because so because me sure say kan obi mpo na Ghana ye be fi omo de no to post ni ma nke bia sa ball na she go na ko timi chi no. Enso eno ne matters arise. Sorry for another time. Oh, you never know. This one I had you.
Me ya know that good.
Me my catch say me sports person and I'm sure that sure Ghana match baby but we know keeper wins na me sure is our boy.
Keeper.
Me come show Benjamin.
Ball na him go so be na so saving.
And I mean that and what me CV goes a
more big Abasaba. Keeper na ba na wo ball to akere me de hand ma chem ho dem na me madam mo ma ba.
We know Juma. Everything correct.
What I'm sure boni bi. Yankwa hineyim. Rabana no yankwa hineyim. Yankwa hineyim. Yankwa nkogina oye statement krata no. Da babo tugwa ni oye nso otumo twai Ghana ha ma sise uguda wo ye nsese sonko ana krata no otum no oda abotu oye governor efetum na aboa. Oche hin gaga na change of attitude towards environment. Wachi hino wetu no akasa no oso wore itumi sisan oye hini su na hini ban no oya braba na obabo am etum na ya akwen another prayer rallies MPPs in massive in Sawom work nti another prayer anso na why oye health work chunku wo oye person do na fi otum obo bibi aso etum na okweyim ankasa igem AG deputy face contempt suit over airport arrest. Nti the main service na autumn na orokodo abujina for time of nti kɔtɔkrata no na nsɛm a ɔwɔ min hinara unsa butum na aka na etum na akenka afebe nkɔ ne
o ma mi sanso fa nkɔ graphic business na asɛm bi wɔ na me pese ka ho ansɛm ansa na ya to so Accra nsu ayi ho na say insurance brace for 500 million Ghana cedis shock industry liquidity to be tested motor sector most exposed na ne yɛtene say flood na ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Accra bebes and of course nkɔfo Japade nkɔfo dan nkɔfo cars nkɔfo motors ebi kwa bicycle na mo a mutimi ɛyɛ insurance ɛma mo properties no mutimi wo say ɛne no mate asɛm de sasa wo dan na wo yɛ insurance wo car na wo yɛ ho insurance insuo afa wo car akoi also who say insurance on be pay for damages and this one we insurance bia no ba now o sigu so a wo sere kekekeke na ene say insurance company no estimation sika mo ba betu ama nkofo mo Japade ase no around 500 million Ghana cedis once na making na nkofo mo ho be kire wo mo na say ebe ko mo kese pe yo mo insure vehicles ne ade no omo no omo hu be ko mu pa it is this period no and ye be hu ni say insurance companies na ye Ghana ha say na omo de bia omo ya advert ye me insurance na me insurance no omo ejuma na omo di wa Ghana ha say no ekoyie anaso say enkoyie ejuma na omo di no eye ne kwan mu anaso enya ne kwan mu na would they come through for Ghanaians anaso say omo betena nchen anoma ye omo konabra it is in this period na say we insurance company ye be hu wajuma wudi wa Ghana ha say no ye be hu the way esitie into that into na ye kan say na ye san so aka show say ye fa insurance serious ye mu bebre ye nim a lot about insurance at all ye mu bebre na ye nim into no and this moment na we say on sha say we educate wo about insurance putting things in place say na be ya say aturenchen bi esi a wo nkonkochiw asema ewo. Inflation rises sharply to 5.3% in June. Bosumi etwa June bosumi no. Inflation nema bo akwa show prices, food prices ne ade no to the extent say over 100% and now ohanchichemu 5.3 and a inflation na June no. Ghana risk losing money investment amid fiscal concerns. And no sense no Ghana your mining sector no and our industry no na ka say in localizing no to the extent that private no local companies mining companies and your mining sector no ebe show mo nsa no maye adwuma wa ha na na say sikasem bi enye nkoyie policies nsem bi so enye nkoyie wo sector ho anhwe ye Ghana ye investment ayaye wo ye mining sector ni mu no ebe hwe eno ne ensema no pay graphic business or the aba
Yeko the national voice Omanpay John drama ni mama ora na abano is under fire o send the wa akoto trainer was the aging British train o che train we nyin papa ya do babo amana Ghana hene kan kokra nti ina ama sisiara ijegu hunu chom oguda woto kasa afa da mensam hu Godfrey Odame threatened to sue AG for contempt over unlawful arrest of Abdullah at Ali Airport. The main so na etum na aba ntakoto ayakrata na musabutum akansam na nefi etum na etim bibia so etum na akoyim tiama maze nefi yentum na yenhyane so efiba.
Okay, daily guide and so at the NCB aba anopay na ochum say ex-NAFCO boss arrested at airport, lawyers beg tea. Hint, Enone Godfrey Odame Asama Okano. Enone Asama government reviews student punishment regime. They say no abani say punishment or modema a student was school no. Abana den Sachayabum. Sachayane de hin. Ina the daily guide and pay. We've cleared cocoa farmers arrears according to Cocoa Board no. A kabia omode cocoa farmers no. Ometuani na if you want to say no. Omonde kabia. Momo vendor kills robber at Lashibi. Weekendi enasa news no. Eba bonti say obi oye na adwesa anka kwa ko wia eye momo vendor bi no. Table na tene ama momo vendor no mumu no ekunu. Eno ne nsema wo ho. nipa kum de enya ade a yes so e wo Ghana ha sei ne mum se wo ye wa adwen se wo nya ade papa na se ebubo wo sa na eno de na wala High Court approves Abutrika's extradition. Say no High Court agya tum say Abutrika yemfa no kwa manone na yenkodi na ye ne romance scam asem no yenkodi wo ho. Government okay maka wasem. Alright, nti eno ane nsema wo the daily guide anope o ma yento so.
Ya ko yeza ko kigina wo oye the custodian character na ko kigina anno AG oye Winifred no sama no so court wo otum na Adam ha hono guda wotum go for Adam minister na character biara otum no da aba no so biara kono for otum no ozi oye ne kasapo otum no odo to don't trade lives no officials discipline the minister so otoko minority within 7 to go that abana otegwe the oraba mazinefi otum no amano hondo nkan oye insure or be to autumn nazama wotum na efi wo hwere ho kwa bi kwa nazo otum so government to honor farmers in Bono region launches 22nd oil national farmers day nti dema izin kan ken no so otum na wa ba ha fire catches Melcom warehouse wa jankopan agitama free zone nti no so odaha nti kotokrata na the men 7 opinion keke ho ni nara aya another prayer no nanto dumezini hina no so odaba boto aya kata koto aya kata no onsabutum aka aya custodian no 7 ni nara.
The Republic Press and so and every Attorney General Dummy and Mr. Attorney General AG any Godfred or Dummy and face off over the arrest of Hanan at airport and also incentive the way you are not supposed to do it now can say we say no tension everywhere. Sanitation sector under fire. President warned of blackmail sabotage over YEA contract termination. Into no sanitation sector no say no say mi so yi unity e wo media nim Zoom Lion for ne ne ka ho ne ade na Zoom Lion YEA contract no say no it has come to an in fact it has come to an end for a very long time. It's a yi free wache na emom no as a person any unity e wo system nim all because of the friends saying flood na e course so e wo Accra no into no nkofo bi chemu a ahwa na President John Dramani Mahama na omode na ka share tight corner as blackmail bi so unity eba eno ne ensema konza say warning bi na omode ma president say onhwe yie na wansa sa akwa Zoom Lion YEA contract no amfamba tenu so ne nsembia ekoso ha say Samuel boy flats don't return home until fumigation ends nadmo na okache omafo de say mama mu nsanso e mafia until so omoye fumigation ewo mu fie honere because the whole make the whole town city na flooded into no say no what Samuel boy there mensanso embe fie kwapem say omobeye fumigation exercise ni na ewie nti eno so ne ensembia ekoso ewo ahase momo vendor nsem maka. The flood took everything. Dennis Miracles Abuaje recount devastating ordeal. Into no Miracles Abuaje no chem say into no it took everything. So if I be away 25 year away. Dennis minim so na kasa so fa the fie dia. But no ne so ne ensema ekoso ewo hase no. DVLA warns public against fake fine payment text messages. DVLA HMA nkofo send fake messages to nkofo say omodeka omra metia sa nkofo ni na sa messages na free DVLA zunye bia empepre wongo gusu ahwe ana enye ho hwe but ignore it fane say wen hu kra eno ne say mi so free DVLA akashi so ever.
Asofo daily newspaper no so da ba to go man penny John Dramani Mama oya 1st July no ya fufu do Wednesday na the be Friday of Friday my 4 of Friday oya penny 4 the maso to maybe no food them pepper so to me eduri ahuna wotum no sum Ghana no ma penny no mo na yeko sonko nsi odi the mesemi atum tuba mo tum no okune the former FA NAFCO. NAFCO, CEO arrested at airport over alleged attempt to empty frozen. Ghana and frozen bank account before UK trip. Aye, well, if you move, it's our friend, the umbrella, I'm church in same no queen. Parliament Select Committee on Education worried over the distance of education fee.
Exorbitant
distance fees. Education.
Some of my distance near there. Tertiary. UCC for me. Other tertiaries and so you be. I'm sure some charge bebre.
Okay, UCC na sa which be.
UCC can home. Other tertiaries and so
CCTV for can home. University can home. But UCC for home also so.
How do you know?
Hello. Oh, student UCC. I got to remember. What to remember? UCC in Kenya na wanko. UCC what's in it? It's the main 70 naira. Mreshe bogofa. Udi and then I walk a woman share somewhere Mreshe bofi. Ana whether the main 70 aba to grant. I can't offer that. Would you jump contan? That much the bay of UCC be okay. All the yana kwatene Nazama pinya we be upon akasaka si oho ma wotum na wojiji da misikan to ombwa nti yama mazina fi yentume police launched probe into alleged video misconduct by police no yesize kicking na idema news aka cha dom de dada o size kicking o yi na ya guzo nti wo hwehwem afa da mensam yo flood disaster death toll hit 34 no there Impaired dosa and 34 in Suno 10 no Nazimepi near Watumna, Washro Ayahunuka, where the Minsam, if you were.
Now, Miss Ma, the daily justice for the say flood no a kunipa makuma 40. After forcing sit on $200 million World Bank cash as floods kill 40 as floods kill 40. James World Bank so e release can be say omufa meboa e flood issue no e Ghana ha say na ono so e chem say flood na kasa ekunipa mako 40 e Ghana ha say you can't trade lives for fiscal discipline upon Nkrumah and so na e kasa say ensuo no flood no ekunkofo and it's our life ni ntimi sanso enya ne back bill. It doesn't matter and shishaya wa abani begu akwem. It doesn't matter policies ahodo obeye mra rule ne kan wa obeye enya ade a sa nkofo na ya hwe omo ebe sanso enya omo ba nti eno ne nseme wa ha say Bawumia extends relief to Accra flood victims. Nti flag bearer for NPP Ora Mahmoud Bawumia and so the relief items be akwa nkofo amo kan during the flooding era and I said flooding days ewo Ghana has no na okay so no na say wo Kaswa NDC chairman grabs 41 million Ghana cedis 24-hour market contract after sex scandal. Nti okwa Kaswa say NDC chairman wo no nensa ato 24-hour market contract bi asika 41 million Ghana cedis eso when nyina bibia esi ye ewo emra ne sex scandal bi ababe pieja sansa nsemi na echi no ne site me asto ne site me ato 41 million Ghana cedis sex scandal bi eso okay nti anu so ne nsema ewo ho Oforiata must be an idiot to come to Ghana. Martin Amidu and Oka say so Oforiata pa so na dey so be sanso ba Ghana ha bi ma idiot ne tree then and an infant here then mo explaining idiot no in your own language na say Oforiata na nkasa ye na ade so oba Ghana ha pa say ya and na he must be an idiot and when nsema ekoso ewo the daily gist and pay the Chronicle and so at the NCB Ababe Tuja and the say 100% tiling of compounds as the cost of floods. IAWPA and na edge Mr. Mo musidanya mo to mo fie no compound hono tiles no ubeko obi fie na enya tiles nkwa tiles se ube plaster se ode cement ebe faso se ode eye se sa bricks ya ye hyehyɛ wo for me mo a moyɛ saa ne manema no mo ka ho bi in fact mo na moyɛ the main source a ma sa flooding we no aba because imagine say we si fie na wa plaster fie it means that nzuo to a ebe fa tiles no so bricks no so cement no so na ekwa gugu atema na bibisa nzanka nsuo anka bi a anka nese ofio anka wo se nese no emmene nsuo no da bi ebe fa so na fe yakwa gugu atem gata no so na achoki na chese at long last flooding has happened it no IAWPA and HM says edwumakoi na HM say 100% flooding na esi no 100% mo amotale tale mo fie mo compound no eno ne nsema ewo ha say Ochehene angry over disposal of refuse into drains. Into no Ochehene enso ebu afu pa eye Ochehene osajofo amwatia ofori panyin a otoso mienu na oche mu se nibu afu pa esanse nkofo bi wo ha modaso eto bola egu garden modaso atoto bola egu bebi eni se motutugu drainage systems na mo to bola egum Ochehene ebu efu sankofo na mo yes ha nyema ni nyina yo Mahama Care takes awareness campaign to Kumasi chiefs into no Ghana Medical Trust Fund Jumeko no na asese no omo awareness campaign na omo yes na be ombe cheche ni mama chenkofo rural areas ni ade ni se omo de akakopie mu ewo Kumasi a omo ne nananom ahemfo omo cheche nsemu so ache ahemfo ewo ho se na be obi anso benya no ho entiase I believe says obi a enya no ho entiase sa na ebeboa ama dwumadie no so akoso the new crusading guide High Court granted Hanan Abdul Wahab permission to travel before airport arrest lawyers to sue into no lawyers amudi ex nafco owura Hanan asem amano no say High Court ema ne kwan say obetimi etu kwan Africa na ha say into no samba kwa arrest no ewo airport na ade no contempt of court into no eno ne ensebi so a bobo eba Jana Kwei claims ownership of shares in Bill's Microfinance in fresh suit at commercial court. Ex-wife of Richard Ni Amakwe, court divorce case in Sensem no so fresh suit biso akoso ewo eye commercial court na Jana Kwei echirema onono owo shares ewo eye Bill's Microfinance no owo shares wo into no o deserve say omode ne shares ebema eno ne nsema odi akopie mu ewo commercial court say omundi emfamma no Tokonu's lawyer Femi Falana tears into ECOWAS court ruling into no ex-CJ ne lawyer ni a friend say Femi Falana echemu say ECOWAS ruling na odi maaye say omoto ex Tokonu na sem no omato aguni de ono no dwe ho nte ase no matter what by hook or crook by fire by force then obesan so I find another way to seek justice for Tokonu. Okay, intimiding can be asem was let's embrace peace and unity amongst ourselves to pave way for development. Akwetia hene na okasa se yinyina yenye nipakro adwenko akomakro yemfa odokro ye entna oman we mu se ne beya mpuntuo a ye hwehwe no ye benya ewo Ghana ha sei okay custodian ya kan wanse dada ana the insight newspaper and so can be so ewo ha sei o say flood disaster government begins nationwide relief distribution ti aban no eye ne 300 million Ghana cedis na oye na adwen say odi be ye eye relief odi be boa omo ho achi omo this flood days na abesi atwam ni ade no wa sha ase a okọ the various 16 regions in Ghana say be obetimi a distribute sa items no e de ama wo okay The twaso so ana esese ye call the informer anope na Ghana needs bold leadership, not relief items. Government told in the Ora Samuel ABDULLAH Jinapo ena waka che aban ni say no flood nesi. Of course, relief items abako so ye becha mo ye becha anwa ye becha tin tomatoes ye becha nchense ye becha mpaboa ntare ne ade no ne nia relief items but enya no na hu hia te say no ye hia nhyehyaya ejina ne nan so nhyehyaya ete apo nhyehyaya ete ase ti bi eni begu akwan mu se na be ye beboa ama eye flood no ensan so nkonko sibiem next year nyame adoma nti no ne ade a wo se ye focus ye energy e wo so na mum enye relief items make us hu hia de na mum no according to Samuel ABDULLAH Jinapo no enye ne hia nie yenye hyehyaya beboa ama flood ensan so nsibiem. Xenophobic attacks. Jinapo calls for Mahama Ramaphosa talks. Into no Jinapo means Jinapo MPP say Jinapo NDC. But or just say Jinapo and we say I was said President Mahama or nay South Africa President Ramaphosa. Eshia no mudidi nkomo no mokasa no mototo adwen no mofa. All in the name of the xenophobic attacks na cost for South Africa. It's a no season in summer. Dissolve flood task force now. Afenyo markings and the issue say, flood task force now yate say anka ebe boama sisi na flood wo ho no. Ebe boama omo ho aka edwam nti no omo no mbe omne nadmofo na ebe ye edwuma na efi omo rescue nkofo a omo hyehye baby omo ntimi mpie ne ade eno na flood task force sisi no Mekane say flood tax force no say flood no I receive kakra e from kakra nti no ye nyanya flood major one bia mom gmet say nsuo no ebeto de na mom afanya ma can say omungu sa flood tax force flat nti no nsema ekoso ha say amidus anti-corruption credibility in tatters as he advises Oforiatta not to cooperate with lawful investigation. Entino Martin Amidu, ex-special prosecutor, Nina, according to the informer, no, or anti-corruption reputation be ewo. Entino na eka ne dihu na nsa obo Martin Amidu ankofo be nim say nipa we dey onye corruption. Na mom na kama sa reputation no ya say esan say Otu Ken Oforiatta for say a man comply with lawful investigation. And you know, once a medical show in the previous newspaper, and say, or can say Martin Amidu, Enyaba Ghana has say, Onya sans ba bioma, let us say in Bofokasamuno, he must be an idiot, and translate the idiot in your own language. He must be an idiot, so Obeba Ghana has say. And only some our kinds, but the sad and let's say the perception and comfort was a must never do or your anti-corruption guy, no, a yase. Sad reputation, no, a yase. Okay. Upon Nkrumah slams government over flood response, I didn't come Zoom Lion Ashanti RCC launch cleanup campaign into no Ashanti region RCC. Any Zoom Lion Akabum in collaboration collabo as I say no or more a cleanup campaign be oma launching cleanup campaign I baba boama yen dreams mu beti yen gata mu beti yen fish ni ade no eho nyina once wine bibia be fine nti eno ne nsema ekoso ewo hase krasa ni bebre na so ene de ex nafco boss Owura Hanan arrest no aba ebi mo so de momo vendor kills arm robber de aba say attorney general and attorney general any where we ex nafco and some no so that's why I was say I just say krata bebe na report say I was asem no tino me sha na ma hwe say different things be ewo ha ana ansan yes aso dia ye de besi ha say na Carlos Queiroz and daily updates or the Ghana new coach and say Carlos Queiroz leaves Black Stars head coach role after World Cup exit. Hey. Portuguese trainer Carlos Queiroz has resigned from his role as head coach of the Black Stars following the team's 2026 FIFA World Cup exit. Queiroz led Ghana for their global tournament campaign in USA, Canada, and Mexico, where they were knocked out over the weekend following defeat in Colombia. To Colombia. Now, Ochemu say Ghana Black Stars ye coach na or they call World Cup no or the krata aba say or the nejume egu fom into no wa resigning into no ni reason ni there minim daily update and fan but me sure say ni na so ebe wo newspaper ni match say wonya bi na akekan ya ebe ma reason ti a na adu say o jai nejuma na say or resigning. Fashion designer found dead half naked at Trom Dominion City in Koforidua. Say no kopiemu e wo Koforidua che say obi ana oye fashion designer yehu ne dead body e wo krobi e friend say Trom Dominion City e wo Koforidua eno so se ne arehosema efi ho eba okay Makameshusha women and leadership. Nah, yeah, they know. Oh, you are here. They are here. Women and leadership, and so Eden Sembi Abba. Or say the girls we are losing to relief efforts as government supports flood victims to ra. Na mame na momo lati. And na onoso so edi enimu say ma omo ho akire omo nkola omo ho akire omo ye flood na ekoso Ghana ha say no. Omonso ebe bo mbe yo mafam de aboa abra aban no eye ne de no onso be yo mafam de aboa amasa nkofo ni nyina ema Amenfi Central Joanna Jan Kujo ekopie mu Africa Days Forum no ase Brussels no chem se okasa ya na se ne anamontuo ne na esi na nisuo ne se obeboa ama development agenda na ye hwehwe Africa no ni nyina so akoso. Ashanti North Police investigates female officer over alleged misconduct at Akomadan station. Na police ni oba na oni obi oba be case police station wakacha ne say the case no ehu hia. O say ni oba be case ne che say obi di apaso awo no na oba be case say na we anyway aye na police officer ne chem say wasem no enye important mfaso bi eni so kuna kwatsanse na ekoba ni say recording na ade ba mu ma agbufo bae ema in the video no timu say police officer no kwa oto ne nsa ne ade iti no Ashanti North Police Command echemu say investigations ehwehwemu ekoso was asem mu pa yo. Police rescue young woman, arrest 3 over alleged human trafficking and sexual exploitation in Upper East region. Police for ache conformian sabi and omasanso akako rescue obi like young woman be say conformian saying ayachi omun omuju omudi ane say omo kidnapping nkofo na omodo omo aye ahyawo adwuma ya no pe ye ka ho asem ya sexual exploitation no mo agiska gombotom just a pimps omo ye pimps it's no police one sa so san nkofo miensanim na mami bia na okodi omo akache ai na chese emese omo trafficking na so market na na bisa no omo simi age no ama ono so abafie. All right. Intino eno ne ensem bi nso a ekoso ewo newspaper no enim bebre na na yede atudwa ne aka bia nso no eye unya nkrata ne bi na okan a obehu eye the details na nkasa ewo mu na anopei nkomo ai yebedi nkomo ewo fia se ya chese nkofo mbe boa me edi sa nkomo no omofiri eye Environmental Protection Authority EPA for akache omo no mba be kan ho ama anopai ye TV channel 514 and as say Facebook and any Facebook YouTube and I will share ya abomade answer obekoso ana oni ye atena na ye twa ye ho age aboafo nkratso kakra on ye ba na afi ni aka nyina so no ye de asomo nti bomade answer obemo ofidie no adaha sia enyim ko bebia ye ntwa ye ho na ye besa abasesia.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol anafango no e na afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone e wo apomodensem so fango nso e ho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won kwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejuma yefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboyi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.